Hello, everybody. Darwin Fortuna here. Fortuna Flow. Red, red, red. That's the word in the street. But I am not here to talk to you about sadness and loss. I am here to talk to you about where we are and where we will be. Hopefully, we're all hoping for the best. But where are we right now? From experience and from what I know and from what I feel personally, although I don't invest on um on emotions, we are really close to a rally, and we are really close to a reversal. Why? One, because when many people are ready to throw the towel, when many people are frustrated, done, crypto is dead, stock market's dead, done, I've had it, that's when things begin to reverse. And we've been forming a very beautiful structure in the market right now where we haven't gone any lower and we haven't gone any higher. We're just going sideways. And that is the worst for anybody that's investing. The worst. Why? Because it tests their patience, it tests their emotions, it tests all of their energy. Okay? And looking at the market right now, all red, 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 I want to give you some hope a little bit, okay? I have thrown the towel myself. I'm not selling. I'm just waiting it out. Like, I've made some positions. I prepared for some movements all the way back before the merge, and it's been like 2 weeks or so since the merge. Nothing has changed other than me DCAing into the market whenever possible, and that's it. No financial advice, never. But we are really close to the next level. On that note, I want you to remember that September is historically one of the worst months ever for crypto. Ever. Turns out that October is typically one of the best months ever for crypto. So all I'm trying to say here is that if you have already weathered and survived pretty much the worst month on crypto, which is typically September, right? And this year has been horrible. January 16%, April 17%, May 15%, June 37%, July up 16%. Well, what do we get next? Okay, so if we get triple digits and double digits on the negative, we should probably see something substantial here, probability wise. Okay, I'm not trying to sell you some hopium. I myself, I've had it too. I'm super upset, super frustrated, super concerned, right? Hate this situation right now. But I'm telling you right now, we are much closer to the next level than what we were before. And then looking back, I was so excited today to see that Solana was rallying, Ethereum was rallying, everything was rallying. And suddenly, boom, dump, right? Super frustrating, super frustrating. But the way I look at it is, we had a horrible sell-off for Ethereum. And from that horrible sell-off, after the merge, we've recovered 7%. So that's great. It means we haven't gone any lower than what we were. Okay? So we had a horrible sell-off even with Bitcoin, where it almost breaks one of the levels, that the lower lows, that it almost made a lower low. But we've recovered 4% from that. Okay? Yeah, we did go down after going up almost 7%, and there was a big dump. This is part of the volatility of this market. But I want you to remember that Bitcoin and crypto has been the best investment of the last 10, 15, 20 years. Right? If you would put your money in gold, they would not be getting anything. The stock market, probably 2% a year. This is the only sector or market that's able to give you 300, 400, 1000% returns. All right? I mean, you can just look at it right here. Right? There was a year that Bitcoin gave 449% on 1 month. Just 1 month. Okay, so I want you to remain positive. Yes, we are in the red overall, right? So Bitcoin is red on the last 7 days, Ethereum is red on the last 7 days, Tether is red on the last 7 days. You know what? Cardano is red, even though it had its own its own fork, still red. Solana has recovered in the last 7 days, and so has Dogecoin also. But still, right? Don't worry about it. We are at that place where people are about to throw in the towel. I don't want you to do that. I am not going to do that. We're going to be laughing about this later on in the future. A lot of coins, even proof of work coins, are still pumping. They're still getting a lot of hash rate ever since the merge. Yes, this looks nasty. I won't lie to you, it does not look good. A lot of red. But also, don't want you to think like you are the loser and that's it. The S&P 500 is red. The Dow is red. All right, the Nasdaq is barely green. Okay, so remember, when gold and crude oil go up, everything else goes down, and the dollar is going up, so everything else going down. We just have to remain patient, continue to DCA, continue to hodl, and be smart. One tip one thing I'm doing, I'm also investing in coins that give you staking rewards. And if you don't know about that, comment there, and I'm going to talk to you about how to set up a wallet with a exchange or a MetaMask where you can actually get a staking rewards. They give you a percentage back. So with that said, I got to get back into a meeting. Remember, I'm your licensed architect that happens to invest in crypto. And I'm going to just be doing a meeting for a development we're doing in Boston. And I know all of you are busy people too, doing a lot of things, trying to juggle a lot of things. This is the only way we can achieve financial freedom. I've never met a multi-billionaire architect that owns properties, owns stocks, owns crypto, owns this. Like, there's not many, right? So we're very rare. There's also not a lot of Latinos like me that are investing like this. We are not taught how to do that. We are taught how to go to the farm, sembrar arroz, habichuela, you know what I mean? We're not taught how to deal with investing and being smart. And I don't know it all, right? If I did, I would already be a billionaire. But I can tell you right now, this is what I'm doing to get to that level. This is what I'm doing to create financial freedom for me and for my children. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.